Hey guys, welcome to the video, and today I'm going to be playing a mind reader game. It is pretty cool. It's called Academy. You can try this out. No download, nothing. And so let's get into it. So the rules are simple. All you have to do is think of a fictional or a non-fictional character, and then he'll just guess. He'll ask you questions. So let's get into it. Let's see what we should do. I know. I'm thinking of one. Let's see if he actually gets it correct. I'm not going to tell you guys. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. No. No. Yes. Don't know. No. 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 Yes. No. No, that's what it is. Nope. Nope. I think so. No. Yes. No. They got it. It was Unspeakable Gaming. So next. Yes, it was. This time, I'll tell you guys. Now, it is going to be popular MMOs. So if you didn't hear that, it's popular MMOs. Okay. Yeah, it's another YouTuber. Yes. No. 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 Yes. No. 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 Yes. Don't know. What does that mean? No. Nope. No thunder. No. What dog is named Charlie? Nope. Yeah, sweet good. Yes. No. No. Ah, they got it. Purple MMOs. They got it. This time, it's not going to be a YouTuber. It is going to be Usain Bolt. So. No. Yes. Probably. No. I do not know. Yes. No. 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 Nope. Yes. No. Yes. Don't know. Ah. No. Once I say that fast, because I already know that. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed. This is a pretty short video. I just want to tell you this awesome new websites. You just have to write Akinator. It's right here. And then you into it. And you have to write your age. If you don't want to write your age, then that's fine. You don't have to do it. Then don't have to play this game. So hope you enjoyed, and bye.